welcome to our online class Lead Tutor. Today we are looking at chemistry, and in chemistry we'll be looking at periodic table. Periodic table is an important topic in chemistry. So if you will know the behavior and the properties of all elements that we have, learn periodic table. And periodic table is just an arrangement of all our elements based on increasing atomic number. Now, when elements are arranged in this form, it is observed that there is a recurrence of behavior. And that is why we have this particular table called periodic table. And as you can see, all our elements have been arranged in rows. Now, the horizontal rows and the vertical column. And the horizontal rows are called periods. So as you can see it, this is a period, this is another period, this is another period horizontally, another period, another period, and another period. So in total, we have 7 periods. And so if you look at the vertical column, we have 8 columns here, apart from this middle where we put transition elements or transition metals. So we deliberately leave this blank. So we'll be talking about this later. Now we have 8 groups. As you can see, 1, that's the vertical, that's the group, the vertical. See the arrow, this is group 2. Now this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, and this is 8. So the vertical columns are called groups, while the horizontal rows are called periods. Alright, so let's look at properties of metals, those elements that are metals there. Number 1, we know that metals are good conductors of electricity. They are good conductors of electricity. Number 2, we know that metals are malleable and they are ductile as well. Malleable in the sense that you can hammer a metal into any desired shape of your choice. And ductility means that you can strip it in form of a wire. Now, another one is that metal tends to lose electron. They tend to lose electron to form cations. They tend to lose electrons to form cations. Then metals have shining appearance. They have shining appearance. That's due to reflection of light. Most of them glitters, they shine. Shining appearance due to reflection of light. Then the last one we'll talk about here is very important. It's just about their examples. Talk about example of some of them you can see here. Sodium, magnesium, potassium. Those ones in blue are metals. Even aluminium is metal. Then all elements here that are called transition elements are metals. Those lanthanides and actinides are also metals. So let's now talk about the properties of non-metals, that is those ones in black ink. They are just the opposite of the properties of metal. In this case, metals are poor conductors, non-metals rather. They are poor conductors of electricity. And just as we said that metals are malleable and ductile, so in this sense, non-metals are brittle. They are brittle, that is, they can easily break. So when you heat metal, you can heat it to any desired shape, but when you heat non-metal, you can easily break them. Number 3. So non-metals now tend to gain electrons. So they form anions. They form anions, that is negative ions. So we said that metals shine, but these ones, non-metals, have dull appearance. Non-metals have dull appearance. And we can see some of their examples: nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Those ones in black are non-metals. So properties of semi-metals or metalloids. In these ones have their conductivity midway between a conductor and an insulator. So we can say that their conductivity is just like average. So what it means is that they are not really good conductors, and at the same time they are not bad conductors. So we can say they have intermediate conductivity. They have intermediate conductivity, and at the same time they are also brittle. They are brittle. You cannot hammer them, it will break. Then semi-metals, we have some of their examples. These are the examples of semi-metals, those ones in red. They are semi-metals: the silicon, germanium, antimony, and so on and so forth. So they are used in semiconductor devices. They are used in semiconductor devices like making computer system, used in solar system or solar panel, and so on and so on. So these are properties of the elements in the periodic table.